Okay, year 11. So this is the next part of the systems, which is about the muscular system. Big shout out to AZ who got smashed off Karina yesterday, big time. So we're going to look at developing knowledge and understanding on the muscles. You need to know all the different muscles and muscle movements. Okay, so the first muscles you need to know are the biceps in front of the arm, the pectorals, which is the chest, your abdominals, which is your core area here, your stomach, and your quadriceps, which are on the front of your thigh. Okay, at the back of our body, we've got our trapezius, which is just here. We've got our deltoids, which are our shoulders, back of the arm, which is the triceps, latissimus dorsi, which is our back, and our hamstrings, which are back of the leg, and the last one, which is quite difficult to pronounce, which is gastrocnemius. You need to make sure that you write down each of those muscles because you need to know those off by heart. Okay, so muscles and muscle movement. So anything underlined, make sure you write it down. These muscles are arranged in antagonistic pairs, okay, in order to achieve movement at a joint. For example, your biceps and triceps are antagonistic. So whilst one's contracting, the other one is relaxing. So when you do a bicep curl, okay, there is bending and flexion in your bicep, and that contracts whilst your tricep relaxes. When you extend, okay, your triceps now are contracting and your bicep is relaxing. Okay, so whilst one's working, it's an agonist and the other one is an antagonist, so it's an antagonistic pair. Okay, you've also got that with your quadricep and your hamstrings. Okay, so muscles also take away and bring back limbs to the centre of the body. So when you bring your leg away from the centre line of your body, or your arm like this, okay, that is called abduction, you take away. When you bring it back towards the centre line of your body, it's called adduction. Okay? So I always say, think of aliens abducting a person, taking it away, and when you want to add something, you adduct it, so you add it back to the centre line, okay? So there's adduction, abduction, flexion, and extension so far. Okay, these are examples. I'm just going to go through a few of these, of what the muscle does, what it produces, an example of sport. So you've got deltoid. That abducts, it takes away the upper arm from the body like so. Okay, you might have a serve in tennis, so you're bringing the arm right up. Okay, latissimus dorsi, which is our back, that rotates upper arm at the shoulders. So if we do this motion, okay, we are using our back muscles to do the swimming the butterfly. Biceps, bending the arm to throw a cricket ball, so like this. Okay, we are showing flexion of the arm at the elbow. Okay, triceps, when we're straightening to throw that ball, a cricket ball, we're extending the arm at the elbow. Quadriceps, kicking a football. Okay, when we're actually kicking it, we're using our quadriceps. There's extension here, straight leg of the upper leg. When we bend to kick the ball, then now our hamstrings are contracting, and that is flexion of the leg at the knee, so that's bending the leg at the knee. Okay, so write a few of those down, because in the exam you will get a question definitely about muscle movement, and you need to know specifically about what is happening at each of the muscles that you need to know. So preferably write them all down, but if not, write at least 6 or 7 of them down, so you have a good idea of what is happening when you move each limb. Okay, so just to clarify, we've gone through the muscles that you need to know. Yeah, you need to know the muscle movement, so what is antagonist and what is agonist, what is flexion, extension, there's rotation, there is abduction and adduction. These are all the key words that you need to know for your lesson tomorrow. Okay.